In the fast-paced world we live in, burnout feels almost inevitable. I was stuck in a cycle of work, stress, and exhaustion, with no clear path to escape. My mental and physical energy was drained, and I felt disconnected from myself. I knew something needed to change. One particularly overwhelming day, I reached my breaking point. I knew I couldn't continue living like this, so I decided to take a step I had heard about, but never fully embraced: meditation. I had read about its benefits, but I hadn't made time for it, thinking it was too soft or not for me. I started small, with a few minutes of deep breathing. To my surprise, it wasn't just a fleeting moment of calm. I felt more present, grounded, and aware. The constant chatter in my mind started to quiet down. From there, I gradually extended my practice, experimenting with different types of meditation: mindfulness, guided meditations, and even loving-kindness meditation. Like any journey, it wasn't always easy. At first, sitting still felt uncomfortable, and my mind resisted the silence. But I stuck with it, understanding that this discomfort was part of the process. Over time, meditation began to shift my perspective. It wasn't about escaping the challenges of life, but about embracing them with more patience and clarity. What started as a brief escape from burnout evolved into a deeper practice. Meditation taught me to pause, breathe, and recenter myself during moments of stress. It connected me to a sense of inner peace that I hadn't realized was always available within me. Now, I feel more balanced, more present in my day-to-day life, and less overwhelmed by the challenges that once felt insurmountable. Looking back, it's clear that meditation was the key to unlocking a calmer, more peaceful version of myself. It has given me the tools to handle stress, approach life with a more centered mindset, and, most importantly, rediscover joy in the little things. My journey is ongoing, but every day feels a little more like bliss, thanks to the power of meditation.